Well, new at 11, nonprofit organizations and volunteers are working to support those impacted by the flooding disaster in Texas. That work can take an emotional toll. Orko Manna tells us how one organization drove more than 250 miles to bring comfort in the form of puppy snuggles.
These furry first responders
You can turn off and we're coming out.
are taking a trip into the heart of the devastating flooding in the Texas Hill Country.
I'm surprised I'm not in tears.
Folks here say their presence is a divine calling.
We knew that God wanted these dogs here, so we just came.
The 4 dogs are part of Angel Paws Pet Therapy Ministry at Champion Forest Baptist Church in Houston. They drove 270 miles to come to the Salvation Army in Kerrville. The therapy dogs are here not just for those seeking help,
God has not abandoned these people here.
but also those who are giving it.
To come here and to be a blessing to these people, just to see the reaction of their faces and just that moment where they're just calm, where they're happy, and they're there to comfort. That's what their job is to comfort. And these dogs know their job very well.
It may seem small,
You just bring smiles to my face.
but the dog's visit
Thank you. It's much appreciated.
means the world to the people providing the assistance.
The Salvation Army is very appreciative and very thankful for all the organizations, the communities that are helping, the people that are driving hundreds of miles to come and help.
Any bit of support is welcome and shows that the kindness of strangers, whether they're in line to drop off donations or their therapy dogs offering a snuggle, can go a long way.
There's lots of hope out there, and so that's what we're here to give, is hope.
He's coming up with you.
Officials say the best way to help Texas flood victims is through monetary donations. So if you want to help in Texas, you can pull out your phones right now. Scan this QR code you see here on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Our parent company, Tegna, has a flood relief fund. You can donate now, and the money goes towards helping the continued search and rescue effort across Kerr County. For how to donate and a list of other ways to help, follow that QR code on your screen or go to our website at WQAD.com.